David came in, David Haverlaw. He's asked us before. He loves this idea and he wants to know from Sea-Doo any ideas on foiling PWC electric skis.
I would assume he's not talking about the Rise. So, but I will cover that really
Great,
quick.
if we
So
could, that because there
the
is some technology in that.
the
Yeah.
Sea-Doo Rise has been not, it's not teased. It's not a tease. It has been soft launched, I would say. So there just isn't a hard production date, but it is planned for 2024. Uh,
Okay.
but the Rise is a electric foil, and it's not. It's different than foils that are available right now because it can be ridden in three different ways. So the foil, the wing itself can be retracted up to the board where it's right on the board, where it's not really a foil. It's just using the electric motor to where it's basically a powered stand-up surfboard.
Okay.
So it can be used that way with the foil deployed. Then it can be ridden like a standard foil of today with a hand remote with the throttle, or it can also, this is a little bit different than most, is it has a handle pole. So
Yes.
it has the retracting handle pole that folds down into the deck. Because one of the, I guess one of the elements of foil boards right now is that it's limited on the mass appeal because they're hard to drive. I mean, they're hard to ride. It does take it takes quite a bit of time to learn the skill, and you have to have skill to ride it. So that's the idea of the handle pole, is to help, not necessarily calling it a beginner, but it's just a different mode that you can ride it that helps. It kind of accelerates the learning curve a bit.
Okay.
So it'll be competitively priced. It'll be available again sometime next year. We don't know exactly when.
Okay.
As far as foil, I guess the question's of full watercraft on a foil. It's not impossible. I mean, you see the big foil boats over in Europe. I think there's a big shuttle boat that goes between Ireland and England, I think, but there's a few of them around the world. Could it happen? It could happen. Is one happening next year? No.
No. Well, let's actually dig a little bit into something, and we don't have to spend too much time, but I know it was, I want to say over a year, if not 2 years, that Sea-Doo first teased the eGTI. Is that right? Or GTI E, the electric GTI?
Yeah, that was a concept.
Okay.
Although there is a full commitment from BRP by 2026,
Okay.
there will be an electric model in every brand that BRP sells.
Because
there
we
will
saw
be
the
an electric
motorcycles, right? We saw the motorcycles come out for this year.
So the electric motorcycles will be introduced in the fall of this year.
Okay.
There's electric Ski-Doo that was just launched in February.
Okay.
So there is a commitment to electrify not all the lineup, but there will be a model within each brand's lineup by 2026.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.